50-year mortgage, is it the best thing? It depends. So I've seen a lot of posts over the last couple days, and some people are like, it's gonna definitely affect affordability and it's gonna be the best thing. And then some people are like, look at the interest over 50 years versus 30 years. So let me show you a couple things. So I'm gonna show you a chart here that shows the actual difference between a 30-year and a 50-year as far as payment goes, number one, and then as far as total interest paid back. But here's something that I believe that people are missing on this, is that the average loan that people take out is only open, let's say, for 4 to 7 years. Well, guess what? You're never going to pay back a 30-year loan or a 50-year loan if you're only keeping the loan for, 4 to 8 years. The other thing that's in play here is that rates aren't at 2-3%. They're at 6, plus percent. So the likelihood that this loan would be refinanced, I believe, is pretty high over that period of time. So I think what it will do is it will help that someone who is, let's say it's a $200 a month difference or $150 a month difference, is that they're deciding to rent over own a house because of the difference. So this gives them an option to get in the house. Sometimes the income will go up during that period of time, and they'll be able to, get in the house, start building equity, and then when you refinance, might refinance into a 30-year. So I believe that it's really good as far as something to help the affordability. We can't fix this overnight, so I do believe this could be a good product for some people. However, if it's just to take, 20 more years, I don't think that's the point of it. 20 more years to pay off and all this interest. I think the key thing that people have to keep in mind on this is that most people have their actual mortgage, for a short period of time, unless rates are really, really, really low, which that's not the market that we've been in. So I do think that this is a really good idea to at least have the option and the product. If you go back, years, there was only a 15-year mortgage, and then it was moved to a 30-year. Could you imagine what people were saying at that time, going, oh my gosh, I can't believe, 30-year mortgage. Well, now 30 years is the standard. So I think the more products that the consumer has, the better. But that's my take on this 50-year loan.